Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get lower processes on Windows 11. This also works on Windows 10 if you're using it. So first of all, go on the start menu here, right click on it and go to the task manager. On task manager you want to click on performance and here you will see processes. So for me it is 254. We gotta go ahead and lower it. What you want to start with is click on startup apps and disable any applications which you don't actually need. So for example, I have only all of these. So I'm going to disable this one and I'm going to leave only 2 enabled. The second step would be to open up services. On services, you're going to see BitLocker. You want to go ahead and disable it. So just go to properties of it, choose disabled, apply, and OK. You also want to go ahead and stop it. Another thing you can go ahead and turn off is connected user experience. Here it is. You're going to stop it and then choose disabled, apply, and OK. Now we can also scroll down and find download Maps Manager. So for example, I'm not using it, so we can go ahead and disable it, apply, and OK. Then you can also scroll down until you will see parental controls. So for example, if you're not using parental controls, you can go ahead and disable it just like so. There's also things like phone service. You can also go ahead and stop it if you are not using it, of course. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see wallet option. Let me find it. Here it is, wallet service. Now we can go ahead and disable it. Just like so. And now there are some applications which you may not use. So for example, Xbox, I use it, so I'm just going to leave it running. But if you are not using Xbox Live and so on and so forth, you also want to go ahead and disable them. And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and exit the services. Another thing you can try out is go on search, write down sysdm.cpl, just like so, and open it. After you will open it, you want to go ahead on Advanced tab, on Performance option, click Settings, and on Settings, you're going to go and choose Custom. Then you want to go ahead and choose Animations in the taskbar. Then you want to choose Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of screen fonts. And basically leave it like so, click Apply, and OK. Another thing to try out is go on Search, write down Run. On Run, you want to write down msconfig, here it is, and then click OK. Now, once this will pop up, you want to click on Services, hide all Microsoft services, and disable all. Apply, and OK. Now, after this, you will need to restart your PC, but you can exit it without a restart because we will restart our PC after the last step. So now you can go ahead and open Task Scheduler, just like so. And you want to go ahead and disable any processes which are not necessary for you. So you're going to go through all of this. For example, I don't use OneDrive at all. So you can go ahead and disable if you're not using it. Now, after this, you want to open up your settings. On settings, you want to go to personalization and then you want to find taskbar. On taskbar, you're going to see widgets and you want to make sure that it is disabled. I also do the same on task view. Now you want to go to the apps and installed apps. And you want to, of course, uninstall any applications which you are not using. So for example, I don't use this Air Screen Mirroring Receiver anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall it. You basically go ahead and do it to all of the applications which you don't really use. Now you want to go back to the apps and you want to go ahead and find apps for websites. And you want to go ahead and disable them all. Now you want to go to the gaming option right there, open up a game bar and disable this option, allow your controller to open game bar. Now, after this, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. After all of this, you want to again open up your task manager, go to processes, performance, and then you will see that there's a lot less processes right there. As you can see, it's only 151 for me. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.